bit,
Sure
but
did.
there's more in the way.
A little more to come.
A little more to come.
That's why we have a winter weather advisory in place. Now this is for northern Erie County, Niagara and Orleans counties, running through 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Wait till you see how the winds shift and what that does to the lake effect tonight. Anywhere from 3 to possibly up to 5 inches is going to be possible as this band makes its move and into tomorrow morning. It's all with that area of low pressure. Well, now it's up past Ottawa, but we have this next batch coming in, and with it the winds are going to be shifting. We're going to get a little bit of a warm up into Wednesday too, so as the temperatures rise we'll start to deal with rain as well. But as we take a look at it, what's near Dunkirk now and is actually moving up the 90 towards Brant. This will continue to move fairly quickly, not going to stay in any one spot all too long. As the winds begin to shift and those southwest winds come into play, it will kind of begin to bullseye close to Buffalo and areas northward. As for snow at the airport, there's just been over 2 inches of snow today. For the month, it's over 4 inches, and the departure is over 2.5 inches so far. Typically, at this point of our November, we should be just around 1.5 inches, so we're above that, and a little more to come. 34 degrees, quiet right now in downtown Buffalo, but the wind is still whipping. We have them going at about 20 miles an hour. Some gusts are a little bit higher than that, and as we get closer to 9 o'clock, that band that's near Brant is now up towards Buffalo and leading right along the lake's edge. We could still see this mixing in with rain at times right into downtown, and this could maybe even go up towards Niagara Falls and Medina and then start to shift a little bit further back down towards the morning commute for Buffalo, and likely seeing this begin to switch back over to rain. Still snow towards Batavia and into Orleans County, and even those higher elevations south of Buffalo into the day on Wednesday. We're still going to see this in the form of snow. Not going to bring much additional snow, but it will still be there before everything eventually turns over to rain into our Wednesday late afternoon and evening. So where can we see things end up as we go through Wednesday morning, especially through the advised areas? 3 to 5 inches between Lockport and Ridgeway, East Shelby, a little bit less towards Murray, but even into northern sections of Erie County between Amherst, Swarmsville, and Akron to Clarence, then much less right near the lake shore and then further inland as we get that colder air to stick around for the higher elevations. This is where a couple of inches is going to be possible into the day on Wednesday, and outside of that it's going to be much less. Those higher elevations into even northern Pennsylvania may even see around 1 inch or so. As our forecast leads us into tonight, that couple of inches possible with temperatures in the 20s before we start to rise those numbers towards tomorrow morning. We could see that. For our morning commute, that early morning commute may be a slick one. We'll then see it switch over to rain showers. Our Wednesday afternoon is right around 40 degrees, much more in the form of rainfall for Niagara Falls than it will be for areas across the southern tier. And into the next 7, we get wet into the upcoming weekend with highs there in the upper 40s.